These are stock. So this is a personal keyboard I'm building today. I ordered this Harbour a long time ago, I feel, and I just haven't built it. So we're building it today. So I hope this will be fun to watch. Harbour with me, yo. But we are gonna be checking out cheese switches. And if you guys have a keen eye, they included some little cheese plastic blocks. These cheese switches are interesting. They're, let me read you guys the stats. They're cute. They're stupid. They're out of stock now, but I know they're restocking soon. They're HMX. So they're from the manufacturer HMX. I know you guys have been asking for those like crazy. They're a PA12 top housing. I have no idea what that is. PA2 bottom housing, and then an LY stem. Typically not the biggest fan of LY stems, but maybe they sound really good in these particular housings. But there's some little cheese blocks in these. They're from Kibou. Or I guess I don't know if a whole bunch of vendors have them, but we'll see. Kind of cool. It's also from Toronto as well. At least they're based from Toronto. But apparently the first batch of these sold out. I also didn't lube these because I was playing around with them and I lubed one and I was like, wow, it sounds no different from the pre-lube stuff, which is so nice.
Keep up.
They're very loud, so keep up, Ladim. What's going on, dude? I want those little blocks of cheese. Wait. Fuck, I just dumped everything up to get this. There's like 2 I think I saw. There's 2. They better come with cheese blocks if you guys end up buying these things. I hope everyone gets cheese blocks. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I'll put it on my shelf or something. Dude, they should have been artisans. You're so right. They should have just allowed you to put these on a keycap. That would have been so cute. What is that? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep this to the side for now because they're cute. I love cheese, so these switches are, I'm vibing with them. Glue them to oh, I could do that, yeah. I could just glue them to some spare keycaps. Oh, I think this is 1.2. Well, damn it. I didn't account for it being 1.2 today. I've got cherry stabs out and everything. You know what? I'll use stabies today because they should be fine with the 1.2. It did come with shims, but shims and clip-ins is not my favorite combo in the world. Here, I'll show you guys the keyboard. Ooh, this looks beautiful. The Harbour, honestly, was such a pretty board when it came out, and it still is really pretty. Oh god, it's like tape. It's pretty because of that side profile. Got that pretty unique little elegant side profile there. Very pretty. Look at that. It's just, it reminds me a little bit of like the 7V aesthetic, but it is goddamn pretty. The quality of this, this weight is phenomenal as well. Should I use foam for this? Do I want foam in this? Nah. Do I? Nah. Why did I get a red plate? Man, this has been so long since I've even thought about this board. I don't even remember why red was the color I picked. I really don't. It might have been for some other idea that I had, but it's been so long. I'm excited for these. This is my first time using HMX switches, I believe. I gotta line everything up nice though. There we go. Do I put a gasket here? I think I do, right? Pretty positive I don't put a gasket here because there's no gaskets on this tab. What is your guys' go-to switch right now? What has everyone been using? Like, what is your best all-around? Actually, let's reword the question. What's the best all-around switch that you guys have? Laying down some gaskets nice and carefully. Although my gaskets are all smushed. HMX, really? MX Blacks? Damn, everyone's saying the same thing. OP Blacks, MX Blacks, MX Blacks, B-Suns, Strawberry. Oh, really? Strawberry Wines? Hell yeah. We love that. We love that KTT gets some limelight. Wisterias? Ooh, fun choice. Fun choice. The Wisterias were nice. All right. Some of my gaskets are a little funky just because they've been compressed, I guess, in the package, but we'll see. All right, let's screw this bad boy together. Man, I'm happy I get to finally put this together. Okay, I don't know what to put on this. Man, I really like this board. Let me show you guys from the side. It won't have focusing issues from the side, I bet. God damn, it definitely still has some focusing issues. This pretty. Yeah, this looks nice. I love the weight going right off the edges. It's, I don't know, there's something very pretty about that to me. I really like it. I have stone, but I was thinking about using minimal today. Have we actually even opened minimal yet? I feel like we keep meaning to open minimal and then we never open minimal. Yeah, that's one of my favorite parts about the 7V2. I put the space bar to the right one. That is an after stream fix. Ooh. Okay, minimal on this does look pretty sharp. I'm gonna do this so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like. It does look pretty sharp on this. Minimal is pretty hot. The Harbour is such, again, it's like 7V vibes in a 65% format. And then it also has quite a nice little side profile with, like, you know, the facets here on the side, the weight peeking out too. Very, very, very nice. Love this board. Profile's so nice. Ooh. Okay. I think I need more of these HMX switches. This is aluminum. I'm not a fan of those weird gaps. That was my own fault, guys. Guys, I fucked up this row over here. This is not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be over 1, and I put it this way 1. My own fault. Ooh. These are stock. I'm more impressed of how good, this is long pull, yeah. I'm more impressed on how good these sound stock. It's a super quick bottom out, but I don't mind it. I mean, here, I'll give you guys a thing of the switch here. Do like this. I'll actuate it slowly as well. Here. I'll bring it right to the mic. It might be loud. I hear nothing. This is outstanding. Actually, let me show you guys what it looks inside too.
This is an amazing build.
Skullhead, thank you so much, dude.
A build of your own.
Thank you, man.
It's amazing sounding.
Yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna be using this for a while, I think. Well, I'm probably gonna be swapping between this and the Event Horizon. I'm just gonna fix this after stream tonight. Probably gonna go, because I'm still very hungry. I did not have much to eat today. Where did I put my switch opener? Oh, here's hiding underneath the tray. Lubed with cheese whiz. Here, I'll show you guys what this looks like as stock. Wow, that's actually, I know I opened these up before, but it's been a few days since I've opened them. So that's this side. I don't know if this will be visible on camera or not. Probably not. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit more. Oh, it's very shaky. I apologize. There is a decent, I mean, if I go like this. Well, I'll have to take some better photos. But everywhere where there should be lube has it, except for, I think there's a slight bit on the back. There's just none on the front face over here, like where the legs are. But these are like very, very nice They're very like consistent too, which is I'm noticing. I don't know if they're hand lubed. And then it looks like even, yeah, the oils, there's a bit of spring, oil on the spring too, which is quite nice. And then the housings are very, very tight. So these would not need to be filmed. There's no shaking, nothing like that from the housing. Yes, these switches came with these. I don't know what these are. HMX cheese? These are the HMX cheese switches. I'm very impressed with these switches. Okay. I'm very happy I got to build my Harbour. Like I said, it's been a long time coming. I've just not had the time to build it. I appreciate Skullhead who let me build this today. He actually like wanted me to build my own keyboard, so I appreciate you. Thanks all for tuning in. Appreciate you guys and absolutely love you. Bye everybody.